So hey guys, so this is going to be another video on slime, and so let's go. This is my new sellers from my slime thing. So this one was actually witch's soup, so here's the video footage.
Over here.
And this one is also $1 just like the other ones. So this one up is called Wicked Pumpkin Guts, and it has eyeballs, googly eyes, and it's an orange slime. It's kind of a butter, and yeah.
It should go in like a maple. Put the mask. I don't do that! I tried to do it. Aw, hit the man. Shut up. You're pretty good to my boyfriend. But
Next up, this one is called Cuddle Team from the theme Fortnite, and this is $1 as well. And this slime was actually the last one, and it's called Zombie Flesh, and it's a regular green slime. It's really thick, has dark glitter in it, and these little sequins that are red to get close to the brain.
I like it. He just hit you the flashlight? He hit you the flashlight? Nope. Well, how about one break? Let's try it. One break.
So, hope you liked the video. Bye!